Hi, today I am teaching you all kurmura cutlets. The ingredients for that are this one small katori of kurmura soaked and squeezed, 2 potatoes, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, half teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 pinch of pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of amchur, and green chili as per your taste, few coriander leaves, 1 medium sized tomato and 1 small piece of onion cut into fine pieces, and we'll add grated ginger to this. Once we grate this, and then we can add even ginger to this. We have to grate this. Add all the ingredients and the rice flour and mix it very nicely. You can mix it with hand. Wash your hands nicely and then you can mix it. If less rice powder, then you can add 1 more teaspoon. Sometimes potato leaves water. Make it like a dough. And now it's ready to make into cutlets. Apply oil to your hand and take a small ball so that it doesn't stick to your hand, and make a round ball and flatten it. And keep it in a tin. You can make and keep this, and you can fry it later on. This 1 katori of kurmura has given us 7 pieces of this cutlets. I am making it and I like to eat something in the evenings, so I will fry them in the evening. Heat a pan with oil in it on a medium flame and check the oil. If it is hot, then put these four pieces together and don't overcrowd them, and please fry it on a medium heat. With the spoon end, you turn it and the gas is medium only. Once it is done on both the sides, then remove it from oil. Remove from oil. I always remove fried stuff on a tawa. Ready to eat kurmura cutlets. They are crisp. You can check this.